Hello class. Today we are going to talk about parts of speech. And we're going to learn 6 different parts of speech, some examples, and when they're used. The 6 we're going to talk about today are verbs, verb tenses, adverbs, nouns, pronouns, and adjectives. Verbs. Verbs are also known as action words. Some examples, like you see here, are sleep, or dance, write, or even think. Then there's also what we call helping verbs, such as is or has. Verb tenses. They let you know when the action is going to happen. They're action words, like I said, that describe something, or helping verbs, like I said before, like is or has. There are 6 different tenses: present, past, future, present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. Some examples are: I eat grapes often. The eat explains the present. I ate the grapes yesterday. Ate implies that it was in the past. I will eat the grapes tomorrow. I will explains that it will be sometime in the future. I have eaten the grapes many times. Have eaten explains present perfect. I had eaten the grapes before you got here. Had eaten explains past perfect. And I will have eaten grapes at least 10 times by the end of the month. Will have eaten explains future perfect. And those are just some examples of verb tenses. Adverbs. Adverbs are words that describe verbs. Like in this example here, the lion roared ferociously. Ferociously is the adverb. Roared is the verb that it is describing. Or in this example, the kitten purred very softly. Softly here is the adverb. And what did the kitten do? It purred. That is the verb it is describing. Some other examples are victoriously, angrily, bravely, and carelessly. These are just a few of adverb examples that describe verbs. And as you can see, they all end in ly. This is a clue or a hint that is very common among adverbs and can help you to remember and understand them. So remember just a few of these tips. Adverbs tell us more about a verb. They describe or modify the verb in some way. And many of the adverbs, as I said before, end in the suffix ly, but not always. And adverbs are often tell us how something happened. Nouns. Nouns are people, places, things, or ideas, such as children in this picture, Las Vegas, which is a place in this picture, money, also a thing, or peace, which is just an idea. There are 3 different types: proper, possessive, and plural. Monday and California are both proper nouns. Proper nouns are anything that have to be written with a capital letter. Possessive are like this example, the books of Justin, which would mean it's Justin's books. It's his possession. Plural would be like mouse is to mice, or knife is to knives. Knives is plural, many, more than one, just as mouse is to mice. Mice is plural, more than one mouse. Now pronouns. These are words given to replace a noun. Some examples are I, you, they, or everyone. There's also 3 types of pronouns: subjective, objective, and possessive. Subjective is the doer or subject of an action, such as I catch the baseball. I is the pronoun here. Objective is the receiver or object of the action, like the example, toss the football to me. Me is the objective pronoun here. Or possessive, which shows ownership of something. My catch from the quarterback scored the touchdown. My is showing that person's catch, which is ownership of the catch. Adjectives. These are words that describe nouns or pronouns. Examples like silly, tasty, or pokey. They tell things like which one, what kind, or how many. So if you were to say which one, you would say that, these, or this. Or you're trying to describe what kind, such as green, tall, or sunny. Then there's how many. A few, numerous, or an exact amount, such as 8. So now I want everyone to do both of these worksheets, verb or noun, and adjectives here, and bring them to class with you tomorrow as we will discuss these parts of speech more thoroughly and go over anything you don't understand. Thank you, and see you tomorrow.